Hi, I'm Dr. Danielle Andrew here at Theo's Plastic Surgery in Houston, Texas. So today I'm going to dispel a couple myths or a couple misconceptions that I hear a lot about. And so one of them is with a tummy tuck, specifically a mini tummy tuck. They go to some other providers in the area and they talk about just getting the underside of their muscle plicated or brought together, or only going up to the belly button and getting a muscle plication there. So I'm going to explain why that doesn't quite work with the help of this little prop here, a trusty little balloon. So if you notice here, if I do, your balloon kind of acts like the inside of your belly. And if you do a muscle repair just on the bottom part of the belly, look what happens. You get this bulging up at the top. And that's what really happens whenever we do muscle plication just in the bottom, is people get this weird bulge at the top of their belly right here. And so it's really important, if you're going to get a muscle repair, to repair from the top part right here, which is the xiphoid bone, down to the bottom, which is the pubic bone. And you can see if you do a full repair there, you get this nice flat appearance, versus if you just go to the belly button right here, you get a bulging in the upper part of your belly. I hope that helped dispel some of the myths with mini tummy tucks and why we typically don't perform them very much, only in very, very specialized cases, and usually not with a muscle plication at the bottom part of your belly. Now, if you're interested in this or have any other questions about tummy tuck, I would love to see you, so you can send me a message, call my office, and set up a free consultation.